During physical lectures, professors were able to detect subtle social cues by focusing on the students. Facial expressions, yawns, posture, and noise levels in the room are examples of cues on which a professor could have based a decision. For example, direct attention to a certain part of the room, starting a more interactive session, or even suggest to take a break. Since most of the education has moved online, these lectures have changed quite a bit. Students are participating from home, often surrounded by plenty of other distractions. For the professor, all students have become a name on the screen, a profile picture, or in the best case, a live webcam feed. With this digital transition, it has become more difficult to measure the engagement of the students in a subtle and simple way. Our system visualizes the engagement of students as one blob on the screen of the professor, enabling them to keep overview and intervene in the class when needed. When more detail is preferred, the professor can hover the blob for more detailed information on how the calculation is made. When pressing the blob, the most detailed information is shown, an overall overview of all factors used to determine the current engagement. For this demonstration, a database consisting of 28 students and their analysis is created. When an analysis changes, in this case mine, the system responds by calculating and visualizing the new values corresponding to the engagement of the students. When hovering, the blob shows the information on how the engagement is calculated. The percentage of students focused on the screen is shown, as well as the most prominent emotion of the students. After pressing the blob, all the detailed information can be studied. This can either be used real-time to adapt teaching methods during a lecture, or as a reflective tool to improve over a longer period of time. After finishing a lecture, a timeline of the measured engagement could be accessed. This system will give more insight for the professor to better understand the students, but most importantly, it enables them to use this information to improve their online education.